I'll show you how to send a one-time voice message on WhatsApp. This feature ensures that your voice message can only be listened to once before it disappears, adding extra privacy to your conversations. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat where you want to send the voice message. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the microphone icon next to the message input field. To start recording, press and hold the microphone icon. If you prefer hands-free recording, swipe up to lock it. This way, you can continue recording without holding down the button. Once you've finished recording, you'll notice a small one icon near the Send button. Tap on it to enable View Once mode. When this is turned on, the recipient will only be able to listen to the voice message one time, and it will disappear after being played. Finally, tap Send, and your one-time voice message will be delivered. The recipient will see a View Once indicator, and after they listen to it, the message will no longer be accessible. Now you know how to send disappearing voice messages on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips.